In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to audit your website and find SEO errors. This is an invaluable tool in boosting your online presence and ensuring your site is performing at its best. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Ubersuggest. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, creating an account is quick and easy. This step is crucial, as having access to the full features of Ubersuggest will enable you to conduct a thorough audit of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll need to enter your website URL into the search bar. Make sure you type the URL accurately to get the most precise results possible. After entering your URL, hit search and let Ubersuggest do its magic. Next, it's time to run a site audit. Look for and click on the Site Audit option, which might also be labeled as SEO Analyzer. This feature will analyze your website for a variety of issues that might be affecting its performance on search engines. As Ubersuggest scans your site, it will present you with a detailed list of potential SEO problems. It's important to pay close attention to these, as they can significantly impact your website's visibility and ranking. Some common issues to look out for include broken links, which can disrupt user navigation, and slow page speed, which can deter visitors. Watch for missing or duplicate meta titles and descriptions, as these are crucial for search engine performance. Also, take note of missing headings or image alt text, which can hurt your SEO, and mobile usability issues, as more users are browsing on mobile devices than ever before. With the list of issues in hand, it's time to start fixing them. Begin by prioritizing critical errors that Ubersuggest highlights. These are the issues that could have the most severe impact on your site's SEO. Start by updating meta tags to ensure they are unique and descriptive. Adjust your headings and ensure all images have appropriate alt text for accessibility. To improve page speed, consider compressing images and utilizing caching techniques. Also, take the time to fix any broken links, creating a seamless user experience. Once you've made these changes, it's essential to track your progress. To do this, rerun the audit in Ubersuggest. This will provide you with new insights and show how the changes you've made have improved your site's SEO health. Remember, maintaining good SEO is an ongoing process. Keep monitoring your site regularly to ensure that your recent fixes are sustained, and keep an eye out for any new issues that may arise. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your website's SEO and improving its overall performance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.